Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Kobe Gamer. This is a new video. It was just Christmas break now. This is Thursday. And yep, Thursdays are Nerf gun days now, okay? So today we're going to be doing the top 3 best Nerf guns in my opinion, not yours. And a quick mention to subscribe to D Gamer, which is one of my friend's channels. He doesn't get that much views, so if my little team of subscribers could go over there and subscribe to him, that would be very helpful. Okay, so let's get into the main point of this video. Number 3, I'd have to say, is really not a Nerf gun, I guess. It's just a gun that shoots bullets, and it is this, I don't even know, Desert Eagle? I don't know. But you shoot like that. You put like these plastic bullets, not the elite bullets. And I guess you could kind of put the elite bullets and they'll still work. No, not that much though. Yeah, I will not be showing any like action of it, but this comes in at number 3 because it is basically not a Nerf gun, and like I don't really use it because I basically lost all the bullets, and it doesn't take elite bullets or the rival or any of that stuff, or the mega bullets. Yeah. Okay, so that's why it comes in at number 3, and we'll get down right to our number 2, which I know what it is. This is the Fire Strike pistol. There's 2 colors. I got it in the red, or not the red, the orange and blue, and then I have it in the white and orange, and it has a laser. You could see it blind you. And yep. So pull it back just like the other one, and that's basically how you shoot it. And I just love this because you could hide ammo right here in the trigger. You could hide ammo right up in here. You could hide like 3 bullets. Then you got like 2 stocking right here. So that you could basically have 5 extra bullet holders, 2 here and 3 here. So it's not that good. It's a pistol obviously, but some pistols are good. But I only did top 3 because some of the guns I did in my top 5 are actually, when I use them now, I actually like them kind of. But this is at number 2 for the best Nerf guns. Number 1 is, we all know, the classic old strong arm. You can see it. It says right there. Yep. Try to get it in. It's kind of hard to see, but this is it's a 6 bullet holder. And there's basically a gun just like this that is kind of good but holds 5 ammo, and I'll be announcing it at the end of the video. So while you're watching this video, like right now, just leave a comment what you think it is. 5 ammo, and that's all you're gonna get. I know not much of you guys will get it. It ends with shot. Just saying. And there's a couple guns that I'm pretty sure that end with shot, but I know you guys won't get this one. If some of you guys get this, that'd be so cool. But let's just get back into the strong one. Basically, you pull back this little piece right there to load it, and it shoots. And when you need to reload, there's a little button right here you can see. And it pops open. You load the bullets in the top. Push it back in. And basically do the same thing again. And okay, so that's basically the end of the video. Kind of short one, but just another mention that I said before. Please subscribe to Toady Gamer. Toady, T-O-D-I Gamer. He kind of stole my name. And he calls me Cody Gamer instead of Kobe Gamer. At first I was kind of annoyed, but now I kind of like his channel. But go subscribe to him, okay? So if you guys like this video, I'll see you guys, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.